For the region bounded by the graphs of the equations y equals 1 minus x squared and y equals 0, we're going to find the volume V of the solid by generated by revolving the region about the x-axis. So basically what we have is this first equation. It's quadratic that opens down. Y-intercept is 1. So it's something like this. And we also have y is 0. So here is y is 0. This line here equals y equals 0. And then it revolves about the x-axis, so it's going like this. Revolves around the x-axis like that. This is your x-axis. All right, so for this, we're just going to use this formula here. We have our y. So what you do is you take the formula, and we're going to write our volume equals pi. And then we're going to go from -1 to 1 of y squared dx. All right. So from that, we're going to get, this is -1 to 1 right there. All right. From that, we're going to get, let's pull out the pi. And that's going to be the integral from -1 to 1. Substitute in your y, which is a 1 minus x squared squared. This is going to equal 2 pi times the integral from 0 to 1. And the reason I'm doing that, we have 0 to 1, and this is symmetric to the y-axis. So what I can do is take this area and multiply it by 2 to get this area. It saves time on the algebra to do it that way. So I'm going to 0 to 1, and I have to multiply it by 2. And then we're going to have, if I expand this, I'm going to get 1 minus 2x squared plus x to the power of 4 dx. All right, so let's go ahead and integrate this. This is going to give me 2 pi. And then we're going to have x minus 2 thirds x cubed plus 1/5 x to the power of 5. And evaluating this from 0 to 1. Now, when you substitute in the 0, it's just going to 0 out. So we only need to do the upper portion, and that's going to be 2 pi times 1 minus 2 thirds plus 1/5. All right, this is going to get 2 pi, and your common denominator is 15. So it's going to be 15 minus 10 plus 3, and this is going to equal 16 divided by 15 pi. All right, I'm going to write it again up here. 16 divided by 15 pi, so you can see it better. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.